When you approach the bottom of an escalator, the risers moving in front of you are the first thing you notice. This is why an escalator never looks really clean if the risers are not washed. Keeping them clean is the task of the unique ERC45, the machine that Eureka has designed to restore the shine of risers on all kinds of escalator, irrespective of width, length, make or model. The spray system delivers exactly the right amount of detergent solution to soften even stubborn dirt. The brushes effectively remove all dirt thanks to rotation at 850 RPM. Tynex long-life brushes do not scratch the riser surface, but effectively remove all types of dirt. In parallel, a powerful vacuum system recovers the dirty water, thanks also to an effective system of drip collection channel and spray guards. This leaves the risers perfectly clean and dry immediately and avoids compromising the functioning of the escalator. The frame of the machine is made from steel for an extended working life, as is the practical trolley with castoring wheels. The innovative GlideStep System allows the ERC45 to move from one step to another rapidly and effortlessly. The ERC45 can wash and dry the risers of any escalator and can work in conjunction with any dedicated tread cleaning machine to ensure truly complete cleaning. Use of the ERC45 in conjunction with Eureka's EC52 tread cleaner is particularly advantageous. Both machines are extremely rapid and efficient, and since the EC52 works semi-automatically, one operator can work both machines at the same time, halving total cleaning time. Escalator Riser Cleaner ERC45. Perfect escalators at last.